Hi, I wanted to post this video to help out people that been having the same problem as me. I have a 2008 Charger. I had it for 5 years. Only has 29,000 miles, and I was having a delay when I was cranking. I was starting the car. I was having a delay like at 3 to 4 seconds, and then one day just start. It won't start. Let me show you real quick. Hold the lights on. It won't crank. My radio goes on. After I researched online, I realized that people were posting that you had to change the starter relay. It's on the fuse box and under the hood. I'm gonna go around and show you. I'm gonna check number 9. There you go, guys. Just to help out the people that had the same problem as me. That relay, it's a starter relay, only costs $19 at the dealership. You can do it yourself. Thank you.